and the posts are going on this side. There's one more post to get out down there. But yeah, it'll be a nice one for him, this, nice and easy, nice and fast.
Morning YouTube. So another week here, Airedale fencing. I personally have got a busy morning, seeing some jobs, site surveys and whatnot. The lads are just on with a couple of little domestic jobs today. Probably, you know, just 2 little jobs, 2.5 days. Then tomorrow I believe they're in Sheffield for a good customer of ours that we do a bit for. And Wednesday they're in Castleford, so here and abouts everywhere this week. Thursday, Friday they're back over our end, just not far from our yard actually, a car garage that's been taken over by another franchise. So we've got like a big timber store to do for them there. And then Friday I'm back over in Sheffield myself for some networking at the EBA, so you know, a bit different this week. So I will catch you later.
Happy Monday. So back at it, another week ahead of us. So we've got a couple of timber jobs to sort out today. We're just at the first one now on Lenore Road in Undercliff. So we're doing 1.2 fencing. It's only 8 metres to do, hence why we're doing 2 jobs in one day. Get the little ones out of the way on the Monday. Let's go have a look at what we're doing. I've already done the takedown this morning. We're going from side of the house there, so we'll bolt onto the side, bolt onto there, dig the rest in the middle. It'll be a nice little 1.2 feather edge. The nice side, what we like to say, the nice side is going on the neighbour's side. So and the posts are going on this side. There's one more post to get out down there. But yeah, it'll be a nice one for him, this, nice and easy, nice and fast.
Meanwhile,
Bring on the forefinger, okay? We give it like a little shake. It looks like it goes to the middle. It doesn't really happen. If it did happen, you'd see the 3rd finger, right?
Good morning people, we're over in Sheffield again working on behalf of his regular customer, client should I say, DH Fabrications. Just doing a little job here for him. See Bramall Lane down there, look. Yeah, we're just securing this off. It's a little site here. There's a little 1.2 access gate going. Maggie's just setting it up there. We're getting bolted to the wall. Just securing this perimeter off here with some 1.8V mesh we use. So I'll be back with a finished video later. Lovely day for it.
Good morning everyone. Another site to start this morning in Bradford, just off Canal Road here. It's actually a car place. We're basically taking some of this timber down behind us, and then we're just actually somebody's put these hoop barriers in since I was last here, but yeah, I'll turn it round. So yeah, we're basically coming off of there, I think, down here somewhere. Somebody's put these hoop barriers in here, and then we're just going to somewhere here. I think we're going down there where this temporary fencing is. Those gates was supposed to go in there, but I spoke to him on phone and it's changed. So I think the gates are going here somewhere now. So anyway, I think the client's just pulled up, so I'll let you know. So before we start anyway, we always do a CAT scan. See Baggy just doing it there. Shows no electricity where we're digging. We'll just go around. There's actually a light here, but I don't think, not in our way, is there?
No.
Get this.
It looks like one of them squidgy sweets.
Look at you all, leave me alone.
You know what about that? Big squidgy sweets and square ones.
Oh, yeah.
Top pink up.
Yeah, I know what you mean, yeah, the drumstick with things.
Wearing so much of it, I know you were sat there.
They're the same picture.
Thank you, actually, Airedale.
Right behind you.
Never even noticed.
So we've got a way around not wearing these, just having the skin out. Get Airedale towel on the back.
Morning. Just pulled up at the OEC in Sheffield. Gonna have a day's networking. There should be 100 odd of us from the EBA here. My brother Paul. Say hello, Paul.
Hello, Paul.
You've probably seen it before. We've been here before, so there's no point me filming this today. But it's Friday now, so obviously start of the week we've done a couple of domestic jobs. Wednesday we were over in Sheffield doing a commercial mesh job for a good customer. Today we're at a site in Bradford, a car depot franchise place. Might finish it today, we might just need a couple of hours Monday, but like I say, I'm over in Sheffield today networking and staying overnight and having a few beers, so we'll catch you later. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up.